Assemble dual lumen breathing circuit. To assemble the patient circuit, attach the larger end of the coaxial tube to the end of the bacterial viral filter that has the company logo. Connect and twist the handset into the smaller end of the coaxial tube. Insert the aerogen nebulizer to the top of the handset. Plug the larger end of the nebulizer power cable into the neb cup. Then plug the smaller end of the cable into the side of the device where the aerogen logo is displayed. You may have to move the rubber cover to access the nebulizer power port. Attach the end of the bacterial viral filter that has the oxygen port to the patient port of the control unit. Add the prescribed medication or saline to the nebulizer and insert the plug. BiWaze Clear allows for 4 different patient interface options: a face mask, a mouthpiece, a trach adapter, and in line with a ventilator. When using a mouthpiece, insert the 22mm end of the mouthpiece onto the handset. When using the face mask, insert the 22mm end of the face mask onto the handset. When using a flexible trach tube adapter, insert the 22mm end of the trach adapter onto the handset. When using BiWaze Clear in line with a ventilator, insert the 22mm by 15mm connector onto the handset. Insert the connector into a T-adapter placed into the inspiratory limb of a ventilator circuit. Note: you should start therapy on the control unit prior to making the connection to the trach tube or in line to the ventilator to ensure there is flow to the patient. For more information about the BiWaze Clear system, visit our website at www.abmrc.com.